Good morning, students of class 9. You are welcome back to the e-classes now. Let us continue our lesson in geography. We are doing natural vegetation and wildlife, and we have reached the rainforest or the evergreen forest. So here, tropical rainforest or evergreen forest. This means the same thing. You should not get confused with tropical rainforest or evergreen forest, because this forest always remain green. That's why it is called evergreen forest, because the area is hot and wet. The heights of the trees. Now we'll talk about first point we have already talked about. Now today we'll start with second points. The heights of the trees found in these forest or areas is up to 60 meter or above. The trees are very tall over here. All types of plants are found in this forest. Various type of plants, creepers, bushes are found in this forest. Number 3, since the region is hot and wet, region means area. This forested area or this area that experiences tropical climate, this region is hot and wet. And so hot and wet, trees appear green throughout the year. The trees appear green throughout the year. If they shed the leaves, then the tree will die because of water or because of the water. So that means they need to have leaves all the time to transpirate water from the leaves. So they appear green throughout the year, as they have no fixed time to shed their leaves. Shed means drop. To shed their leaves. Especially the leaves fall in the autumn season, October, November. Before winter, the leaves will fall. We'll learn about that in deciduous forest. But right now, they do not have a fixed time to shed their leaves. Some leaves are dropped and new leaves are sprouted, or new leaves come up. So in this way, they are all the time, constantly. New leaves are coming and the old ones are falling. So in this way, it always remains green there. The main trees found in this area. The main trees are ebony, mahogany, rosewood. All they are used for making furniture, and they are quite valuable. And even rubber. That is it produces raw material for the industries. And cinchona. Cinchona is also a medicinal plant. From cinchona we get the medicine for malaria. And sometimes this cinchona plant is planted as a plantation crop. Now now let's talk about animals. Here elephants, monkeys, lemur. Lemur is also a kind of monkey, a variety of monkey, and deer. Water buffaloes and some wild snakes, big snakes, pythons are common animals found here in this region. Here number 6, the forest of Assam and West Bengal. The forest of Assam and West Bengal has one-horned rhinoceros. In this forest you will find rhinoceros also, and many variety of birds and insects are also found in this forest. Since the forest is very thick and people hardly enter there because there are a lot of wild animals, and the forest is very thick and tall. It is practically quite dark inside the forest. And that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class and continue our lesson. Thank you for your watching as well as your attention. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class.